Welcome to Anna's Crafty Kitchen, where you can eat what you make. This is a new episode of Anna's Crafty Kitchen. I'm going to be starting a series of me going to the shop and buying a specific coloured fruit and buying many of them and making them into a smoothie. As you can see, my first episode is going to be red. These are the red ingredients I found in the shop: strawberries, raspberries, watermelon, fruit shoot, and also grenadine. Let's begin. First, I'm going to put a handful of each fruit in the blender. Next, I'm going to pour fruit shoot in the blender. Let's add a bit of grenadine to have a hint of sweetness. Let's make some noise. Finally, let's pour the smoothie in a glass. Let's decorate it and do the taste test. It's really nice. It's good for a hot summer day. What shall I call this smoothie? Red Lobster! What do you think? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye. Bye. Like that. Hacha! What shall I call this smoothie? Strawberry lobster. No, I said it. Let's add a bit of... Wait. Next, I'm going to pour fruit shoot in the blender. Now you see me? Now you see me?